Whereas some teachers focus on grammar, I prefer to focus on... Wait, whereas? What does whereas mean? Let's find out. And if you watch this until the end, I will finish that sentence and tell you what I prefer to focus on. But okay, let's take a look at whereas. Whereas is used to show contrast. Contrast is when things are different. So showing contrast just means showing that things are different. So we use whereas to show that two or more things are different from each other. You can use whereas at the beginning of a sentence to get people's attention and to signal to them that you are going to show how things are different. Whereas some teachers focus on grammar, because I started with whereas, you know that I am going to say something different. You know that I am not going to talk about focusing on grammar. And now, maybe you are interested in what I am going to say. And maybe you're not interested. That's okay too. Let's look at another example. Whereas my dog likes to sleep by the door, my cat likes to sleep by my bed. But whereas does not always need to be at the beginning of the sentence. You could also say, my dog likes to sleep by the door, whereas my cat likes to sleep by my bed. It's up to you. I just wanted to show you that you can use whereas at the beginning of a sentence to get people's attention and to help you communicate more effectively. And that is because, whereas some teachers focus on grammar, I prefer to focus on communication.